Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lucky Ato. In today's class, in today's video training, I'm going to show you how to link your business email address to your personal Gmail address. I know you know the hustle and bustle of logging into your business email mailbox, checking your mails, replying to your mails could be very hectic. But in today's video, I'll make it more easy and more simplified for you of how to link your business email to your personal Gmail account, so you can easily run into your personal Gmail account, answer all your business email, reply to all your business email, and receive all your business email all in your Gmail personal account. I know you'll be very interested to watch this video, so do not forget to watch this video to the end because the ending part is the most important. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, like my videos, share my videos. I'll see you. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome once more to my channel. This is your one and only Lucky Ato. So guys, in today's video we are going to be learning how to add our business email address to our personal Gmail address. I hope you guys watched the previous video I dropped, which was how to create a business email address. So if you guys have watched that video, I'm sure that you guys will be anticipating for this particular video because I know you guys might have been dying to go through this particular video. So guys, now we are here at it and let's get started. So in the previous video we did, I believe you guys know that to have a business email you have to go through the cPanel. So once you log into your cPanel, and I'm sure you guys remembered the email, the business email that we created in the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, check the link in the description below. I will link it in the description below. Just go through that video so you understand this particular video that you're watching currently, so that you can follow up easily without getting confused. Okay, so now we made this particular business email, which is support@hudsonbanmac.com. Hey guys, we will not be using this particular business email address that we made in the previous video, all right, because the domain name is having issues. It seems it hasn't fully propagated because I just added it new. Okay, so but we are going to be using this particular one over here that says support@fordharry.us. So now I want to link this, so we can still assume that this is the Shelly clothings that we used for demo in the previous video. Okay, still the same thing. So I want to link this business email to my personal Gmail account, or to my preferred Gmail account. So now what I'll do is to first log into this business email by clicking check email. Okay, so once it brings out this page, you click on round cube and you have logged into your business email address inbox. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to click on these settings over here. Can you see all these settings? So just copy them and paste them somewhere safe in a notepad or a Google Doc. So paste them here for reference sake. All right, so now the next thing we want to do is to head over to our Gmail account we want to add the business email to. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this settings gear icon here at the top right hand corner. You click on it, you click on see all settings, then you go to accounts and imports, and you want to scroll down to where it says check mail from other accounts. So we'll click on add email account and it brings up this pop-up for us, right? It tells us to add address. So we'll just come back here and then grab this address over here. Okay, and then we paste it here. All right, click on next, then import email from other accounts. Of course, is already automatically selected for you. You click on next. So now it's asking you for username. This will be your business address. Okay, still that is your username. Okay, so we'll paste it, we'll copy this and paste it there. Paste it there. Okay, take this off. So support. Okay, support at fordharry.us. Now your password, you have to put in your password. Now this will be the password that you use at the beginning while creating your business email address. Then this POP server, it says mail.fordharry. This is already set for you at default. You can see it also at these settings over here. Incoming server, mail.fordharry.us. Now this port over here, POP3 port, the value is 995. So we'll come over here and then we'll use this port over here. We'll change it to 995. You can see that. Now for this this one that says always use a secure connection, we'll tick it. Label incoming message, we also tick it. Then we click on add account. Okay, all right, so you can save this if you want. So now the next thing you want to do is, yes, I want to be able to send mails as support@fordharry.us. so we'll click on next. So now we want to change this name. So if you want to put your personal name there, you can put your personal name. If you want to put your business name or your support or whatever, so you can just use support. Okay, you can leave it as support. Okay, so if you put the name there, whatever name you want to put, you put it there. Okay, then, or you can still say Shelly Clothings. Okay, you can leave it this way also. Then you click on next step. So now SMTP server. All right, so this SMTP server, now we go back to our value over here, so our setting value. You can minimize this also. It says the outgoing server, which is mail.this. Okay, incoming server rather. So our, oh no, we've configured the incoming server. The next one we are doing is outgoing server. So now if we should check here, now it says our username. All right, so our username should be the name that you use for making your business email address, and you also put in the password. All right, then for the ports, now the port is 465. You can see it over here, SMTP port 465. all right, so once you do that, you click on, okay, we haven't put in the port, sorry, 465. so you see it over here, 465. So once you do that, you tick this secured connection using SSL recommended. So you leave it at that. You click on add account. All right, so you can see, congratulations, we've successfully located your order server and verified your credential. Just one step. So now you need to go back to your business email address, and you'll see a link that is there. Then you click on that link to verify this particular setup that you just did. So now we have to go back there. Let's reload it. Okay, if you didn't see any email, you can come back here and you resend it again. Click on resend. Okay, so let's wait and see. All right, so you can see it here, it just came in. So you see why I told you guys to always copy this value, because once you've added these settings in your Gmail account, it will wipe all your inbox here. You understand? So now the Gmail confirmation link has come into our business email address. All we need to do is to click on this link to confirm it, and it says please confirm sending mail as this. Click here to return. Okay, we say yes, confirm. and you can see confirmation success. All right, so now we have successfully added our business email address into our Gmail account. So now when we go back and reload, okay, so now let's scroll down and see. So you can see send mail as Shelly Clothings. Can you see it at this? While this is still there, but you have added this, so now you can send email as this. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to tick on this box that says reply from same address as message was sent to. Okay, now your customers might send you messages, might send you mail to your business email address, and it will come into your Gmail address. Now if you're not too careful enough, you might reply back with your personal Gmail address. So you want to tick this so that you can always reply from your business email address. I hope you guys understand that. Okay, and then you can see check mail from other accounts, which is your business email address. So it has been added successfully. All right, so now the next thing you want to do is to come over to this label over here. Now you want to label this your business email address, so that once message or once any email come into your business address and you see it in your Gmail address, it will be prioritized. Okay, you will know that okay, these messages are from my business email address. So all you want to do, you want to come down to this label and click on these three dots over here. Then you want to come, you see this, it shows okay in label. Okay, it shows label, right? So you might want to add a color to it. You can add green to it, so that all the messages that comes into your business email address, you will see them immediately in your personal Gmail address. So if we go back to inbox now, you can see all this email was sent to your business email address. You can see, so you can immediately go, you reply them. You can see it. And also if you want to send messages out, you can click on this place and then choose your business email address, and you send type whatever message you want to send, and you send, and it goes as if you're operating your business email address. So it makes it more easier, more handy, and more funful. Okay, so I hope you guys have learned how to add your business email address or your custom email address into your personal Gmail address. So we have come to the end of this tutorial, guys. See you guys in the next video. If you love this video, give me some thumbs up to motivate me to do more wonderful videos for you guys. All right, share my videos. If you're new to this channel, this is Digital Skills Academy Hub. Subscribe to my channel, share my videos. If you have any question or you're having any difficulty doing this process, drop me your questions in the comment section below. I'll go through them and get back to you guys. All right, so thank you guys, we are done for today. See you guys in the next video. Lucky Ato here, and I'm out.